Josh here with some more currency trading. We'll start on the daily chart here. This is the Euro USD. I've got a few trend lines, a nice little channel here. We've been looking at from back here. We got a bounce here. We got a nice rejection here, which is where we're presently at right now. Some minor trend lines going across the top here. We're approaching those. This one didn't quite get to this little bump right here didn't quite get to the outer one. So this little bump may not quite get to this one. I don't know, maybe we'll see a rollover. The daily is in a downtrend. Overall, it's in a downtrend. The moving averages haven't crossed over to give us a current bias to the upside. So right now we're at the downside on the daily. However, on the 4-hour, you can see we bounced quite hard and come up to some support right about back in here. This was support, and then right now, currently, it's turned resistance. So it's a really nice example of breaking a level and then the market coming back to retest it. Like I said, we got these trend lines up here, so this price might stop up in here. We are currently in an uptrend on the 4-hour. The weekly candle, that's what this is down here, is the weekly candle. This is in an uptrend. So we're biased to the upside on the 4-hour. If we drop down to the 1-hour, this is kind of my trading time frame. I like to take trades if the dots are blue on the 1-hour, I'm bullish. I want to buy. If the dots are yellow on the 1-hour, I want to sell. It works out pretty well. Right now we're in sell, so if we get a move upwards and if we get a move upwards, the moving averages cross over, we could see a move up to here, 53 pips to the first one. Well, 60 pips to the first one, maybe 96 pips to the second one. So that might be a nice move. So we could be seeing some upside momentum. Everything is pretty bullish here on the 1-hour. Overall, like I said, we're in a downtrend. So this is a retracement. If the daily rolls over and if the daily moving averages cross over, then I'm going to be bulls all the way. We'll see what happens. Otherwise, if things decide to stay to the downside, we could see this level again retested down here for another 80 pips. We could come down to the bottom for about 106 pips to the bottom. So those are our targets. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed this. And 5 minutes flatter than a pancake. So there's nothing going on here. No thanks. This is my trading time frame. I take entries in here. I actually took one. Where was it? It was right here. And that was just before the news. I got out somewhere down in here for 10 or 12 pips. And then turned around on me. And then I tried to get back in right about here. But it didn't do anything. Came down for a total of 10 pips, and then honestly it just went sideways, and it's still going sideways. And I said, heck with that. I don't want to leave that overnight. So I got out. So made a little money today. Hope you did too. Don't forget to comment, subscribe, and tell me what you like. Alright, talk to you later.